Okay, so let's start by discussing the most common process models. Okay, unang-una yung waterfall or the linear method. Okay, the waterfall model presents a systematic and sequential approach to the software life cycle. Okay, so makikita nyo, waterfall, tinawag siyang waterfall kasi pababa siya. Okay, so in this figure, okay, naka-straight line lang siya pero commonly, ang waterfall is, kaya siya tinawag na waterfall, starting from requirement specification, bababa ng design, bababa ng development, testing, tapos deployment, then dulo yung evolution or maintenance phase. Okay? Waterfall or linear ang tawag sa model na to. Okay? But it presents serious challenges. Okay? Meron tayong tinatawag na traditional waterfall wherein, as in, wala kayong makikita na pabalik na arrow doon sa previous phase. Okay? Pero nagkaroon siya ng modified, okay, what we call modified waterfall model na nagkaroon na ngayon ng feedback loops, okay, na tinatawag. Okay, yung mga feedback loops, ito yon, nung after man ng requirements, punta ang design, ngayon pag meron kang kailangang baguhin, okay, pwede kang bumalik sa requirement specification. Ito yon, meron kang feedback loops. Okay, but still, a waterfall model presents serious challenges. Okay, unang-una, following this model, kahit na may mga feedback loops, kapag ka nagkaroon ka ng changes sa requirements, okay, it's very difficult to implement. Okay, why? Once beyond the requirement stage, okay, pagka lumagpas ka na ng requirement stage dito, tapos merong mga changes to requirements, it can cause confusion sa team, okay? Because the team progresses, okay, doon sa mga sumusunod na stages. Okay? Second, for most kinds of projects, hindi rin practical na sa customer, okay? It's not practical for the customer to clearly state all the requirements at the start of the project. Kasi start of the project pa lang yan, parang hindi practical na talagang malalatag na lahat ng requirements. Okay? Kasi minsan sa customer din, okay, madalas, no, hindi niya pa truly, okay, lahat-lahat naiintindihan yung requirements, yung gusto niyang requirement. Minsan may mga pahabol siya. Okay? So the waterfall model requires this. Okay? And kailangan latag nga lahat, pero since it's not practical for the customer, okay, in the first point, okay, pagka yung client nag-request ng change, this would put real challenges on the project team. Okay? And third reason kung bakit waterfall model presents serious challenges at hindi siya ganun ka-advisable gamitin, the model mandates that a workable version of this software will not be available until late in the project time span. Meaning, okay, following this model, okay, dulo pa lang, okay, kailangan matapos muna yung all the phases bago makapag-produce ng workable version of the software. Ibig sabihin nun, yung customer will have to wait until the time, okay, to be able to have the first look on the output. So, anong magiging problem nun? This not only asks the customer to be very patient, but also leads to all kinds of problems should the customer ask for changes. Diba? Kasi, dulo pa lang makikita ng customer yung workable version. Ngayon, pag may nakita sila na parang hindi tama or may kailangan baguhin, start na naman yun. So, panibagong cycle na naman yun. Okay? Simula ka na naman sa requirement specification, design, and so on and so on. So, kailan siya ginagamit? Okay? Ibig sabihin ba nun yung waterfall model ay hindi na dapat ginagamit? Well, the model can be used, okay, when the requirements are clear. Okay? When sa simula pa lang, sobrang linaw na, okay? The requirements are clear up front and there are, kung meron mang changes, okay, limited changes lang. Okay? So, in that way, the analysis and design phases can finish completely, kailangan natapos muna, completely in detail, okay, before implementation starts. Ang problema, okay, even if requirements are fairly stable, still may problem pa din with this model because yun nga, it asks the customer to wait until the very end to see a one-shot workable version of the system. Yun ang pinaka-problema doon, okay? Kasi nga, hindi agad makikita ni customer kung ito ba talaga yung tama ba yung requirements na binigay niya. Tapos pag nakita niya na yung workable version, ay may kulang pa lang sa requirements na hindi nasabi. So, yun yung problema. Kasi tinapos na yung buong phases, medyo matagal nga siya kasi nga step by step siya, waterfall siya, linear siya, okay? Hindi ka basta-basta makakabalik. So, as you will see later, okay, sa mga susunod na lesson, na mga susunod na process models, okay? In this course packet na i-discuss natin, doon na papasok yung ibang process model, okay? That solve the shortcoming of the waterfall model, like the incremental delivery. Okay? The incremental delivery can be very useful to solve this shortcoming of the waterfall model. Okay, so let's discuss that in the next video.